Jumamothi ya kiumia kihituku Macdonald Mariga atharikirwo agika kambe-ini cia gwetha kura mwena wa Kibra kuria ngari na ibandiko ciake ciathukangirio ngero iria athitangire kwa IEBC na atongoria amwe a kiama kia ODM makirutirwo thamaji ni IEBC. Miahu ino yekinyia mbere ya kamiti ya mitugo ya IEBC ni undu wa ciira uyu na njikanirio ya mĩario yagia iguru ODM makiuga kamiti ino ya IEBC ndiumbitwo kuringana na watho.
The commission can only exercise a competent jurisdiction were it composed of not less than 5 members of the commission. And so I submit summarily that you don't have jurisdiction, really respectfully.
We shall be back in 30 minutes. 30 minutes this time to give you our ruling on the issue of jurisdiction.
Thutha wa ihinda IEBC yaheana itua na kuga kamiti iyo ni ikinyanirite kiwatho kuona ifatie gukorwo na makomishona matanyihiire atatu na nio mauma kuo.
The Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee is a creature of the Commission. It cannot exist independently of the Commission. It derives its legitimacy from the fact that the Commission is properly constituted.
Cikaro cianjiriria wakiri wa Mariga akiuga ari na aira a uria uthukangia ucio watabanirio. Mawakiri a ODM mekira muhingo ungi na kuga aira acio matifatie kuheo kamweke kuona uira wao ufatie gukorwo wi mandiko-ini mbere ya kurugama mbere ya komishoni iyo.
The most appropriate thing to do is proceed with the complaint, and if there are any issues you may have, then they can be canvassed in the complaint.
This is touching the complaint.
Yes.
But it is an issue which goes to the root of the complaint. We are here and we do not know what it is we are going to meet, whether we are going to see some video electronic information, whether we are going to see pictorial information.
Commission ya IEBC thutha wa guthie keheri-ini mathaa maiganona yacoka na itua ria ati Mariga ndanarumirira mitaratara kuhanda ciira ucio undu uria Mariga areganite naguo.
The complaint herein is dismissed for want of compliance with Regulation 8 and 15 as relates to filing, save that the complainant shall be at liberty to file fresh complaint as per the provisions of the law.
Kihitahitaniro gia Kibra gikianjiriria arumiriria miahu ya Jubilee na ODM ni monekire makigeithania undu uria wagigiria ingi no riu maretana mirura kinyagia muingi-ini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.